Y'all, who's murderer? Nope. Nuh-uh. Not me. Well, if it's neither of you, it must be Basil. Wowie, a gun. Hey, Sonny's the sheriff. We should be fine. Could I instigate? As long as he doesn't become reckless and shoots one of us on accident. He would never. You really gotta stop worrying so much, big bro. Then again, it's Sonny. Who knows what he's going to do with that thing? Sonny! For the love of God. Sorry, Sonny. It's the others' turn now. They'll see you very soon. Crap, we were too late. Basil already got to him. I'll avenge you, Sonny. I can't believe we lost Sonny. Yeah. Wait, what was that?
Kel, what was what?
I heard something. Over there. Well, now we know not to go over there. True. Guys, I have a really bad feeling that...
Kel, don't you say it.
But I seriously have a really bad feeling that...
Kel, no. Are you trying to get us killed?
What I'm trying to say is that I have a really bad feeling Basil might be hunting us down.
You just had to say it.
Why don't I give them a little scare? There they are. Here I go. I see you. Wait, why am I red?
That means we've been spotted.
What have you done?
Kel! That is it. Get over here, you little...